Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping. Cleanse, moisturize, and apply a light primer where you'll color correct. Next, pick the LA Girl tube that addresses the issue: peach for blue shadows, green for redness, yellow for sallow undertones because matching neutralizes. Once chosen, squeeze a pea-sized dot onto the back of your hand. Then, using a small synthetic brush or a warm fingertip, pick up a tiny amount. Press rather than swipe, so you control coverage and avoid over-application. You now apply. Gently tap the LA Girl corrector onto the exact discoloration, under-eye hollows, blemish redness, or nose redness, concentrating product where it's most pigmented. Then blend by patting outward with the same brush or fingertip. Avoid rubbing so you don't remove pigment. Keep layers thin, 1/2 pea-sized amount per area, then let it settle for a few seconds before adding more. This buildable approach prevents cake and gives a natural base for concealer. Finish by applying a concealer that matches your skin tone directly over the corrected spot. Use a small amount and softly press to meld layers. This preserves the neutralized tone. Then set with a light dusting of translucent powder or a 1-2% mist of setting spray to lock coverage without dulling color. If you see patchiness, gently dampen a sponge and press to blend rather than rubbing. And if texture rises, remove excess with a clean brush and reapply a thinner layer.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.